We learned how to use intentional circular references, and now we'll provide you with a real-world example of how this functionality can be applied in practice. In the table we have here, you can see the forecast values for D&A and CapEx. Let's look at the formula calculating D&A. At the end of 2017, it equals the product of the beginning PP&E and a predetermined D&A rate. The calculation method for the rest of the forecast period until 2021 is analogical. So these are the values obtained for D&A. Now, try to imagine if the main input for the calculation of D&A was not beginning PP&E, but ending PP&E. Then, this cell's formula should equal the product of this value here and the D&A rate. However, we've created a circular reference, right? The D&A value is one of the three addenda that sum up to ending PP&E. All right, let's carry on with the calculation. The well-known warning popped up. We get the typical indication for a circular reference. Let's allow iterative processes in this document. Go to the File tab, and from the Options menu, select the Formulas section. Click on Enable Iterative Calculation. Good. Excel calculated D&A, and the values we obtained look reasonable. Logically, when you compare the two versions of the table, perhaps not only D&A changed, but the rest of the values moved too. And this shows us Excel has performed several iterative repetitions to come up with numbers that make sense. Bingo! This was an example of how we can use intentional circular references in practice. In the next video, we will learn more about connections and links between cells and formulas in Excel spreadsheets. Thank you for watching.